What I am introducing is this technology developed by a great master, Accompaniment SDXL. Its advantage is that the generated line drawing is more detailed than the previous one. For example, here I put the picture of this rhinoceros. Use this new model of converted line draft to directly convert it into very correct repaint. Then my workflow here is shared. This is online. Maybe my video is released faster. This update is relatively slow. Everyone can use it directly online. It's equivalent to directly owning my ComfyUI. Not ComfyUI. Workflow line drawing. Right here. All workflows work fine. I've prepared everything. Latest, you can have all the latest with one click, from the latest to the repolished one that was just released yesterday. This workflow, all free, ready to use. The model is all installed here. You can just use it directly. The function is exactly the same. You're just making a copy of my image. If you want to install it locally, you can click on My Notes. Search this line drawing. Line, and then there will be his detailed introduction and model download. Both installation and workflow downloads are available. This is for local installation. Generally, I think you can use it directly online. As for this installation, this doesn't make sense. You will know the general meaning of this when you use it. Let me briefly introduce this new development. ControlNet line drawing. Its advantage is that it has richer details compared to before. If the previous line drawing is used for redrawing, he will create a lot of problems. Here, you can see that his line drawing has added these detailed references compared to before, and the color around it will be automatically removed. More layers and details. More accurate restoration. Here is its comparison reference. This kind of line drawing reference was never precise enough than mine before, and simple to understand. In fact, he just re-optimized the line draft. It's not a simple process like converting pictures to line drawings. So the structure he generated. What's so great about one-to-one restoration? For example, there is also this generation effect. For example, this was generated by him. The effect of his line drawing is perfect. This is a reference drawing converted to line draft. It would be perfect to generate this effect. If before, it will happen that the body is gone, or my hand is gone or something. It is line drawing. Not perfect. This generation is the most perfect. The most obvious place is a grid like this. His restoration was very accurate. Other restorations are not precise enough. This is a rough line drawing. So his line draft this time is very precise. I think the biggest advantage is that rendering, for example, when we are doing 3D, we just need to take screenshots. Just use it to render directly. No need to render in 3D. This is the biggest advantage. You can directly take screenshots and render them. This is an advantage. Just redraw it directly. The most powerful thing is this model. Then here is also a specific model. Not just any model. Another advantage is that this is a 4D model, so you can change this 4D model at will. What I use is online, so the generation is faster. If you are local, you can reduce the number of steps or use other models. In this way, you can accurately control the similarity with the original image. Also, you can put this. Improve it a little more. You can control the details of this sample yourself. This is its weight. I think its biggest advantage this time is that the outer weight line drawing has a layer of thickness, which is different from this one. Variety. This is very powerful. That is, you can simply understand. He can completely restore it one-to-one. It won't be the same as before. That kind of line drawing would be incomplete. Okay, you can use my mirror online. I have restored all workflows to normal. Wait for the platform to be updated. You can see my latest workflows. If the image you see is different from mine, that means the platform hasn't been updated yet. Okay, don't say anymore. That's it for this issue.